Hey, Matthias here from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how to get YouTube analytics data into Google Sheets. Before you start, make sure that you have access to a Google account, which is the owner of a YouTube channel. That's important. And of course, you will need to have Google Sheets. Let's get started. Step 1. Head to onboard.windsor.ai. In here, search for YouTube. Click Sign in with Google. Once you're signed in, your channels will appear in the drop-down. Select your channels. Step 2. Preview and destination. In here, double check that you have some data visible in the preview, which is the case here. So you see my YouTube data is here. Next step, click on Google Sheets. Install the Google Sheets add-on, which I have already done. Head to a new Google Sheet. Go into Extensions. Windsor.ai will appear here once the extension is installed. Click on Login the first time you use the plugin. Then your API key will be needed, which you can find below here. You can copy it into the clipboard. Then you proceed to log in the login screen here. Once this is done, open that menu again, and this Get Data into Sheet menu will appear. Now the sidebar here loads. Add new query. Give the query name. Target sheet name. Select your data source, which is YouTube. Select your account. In case you don't select an account, data from all accounts be streamed over. You can select the date range of the data. Then you select your fields. Now as a next step, you select the fields. I want to get some more video fields in. Video length. Maybe also get views. Now my queries. Now you can specify filters. Then you can also set an automated refresh. If I set that to 1 hour here, the Google Sheets doc will be updated every hour. Now I'll load data. There you can see last 7 days data where the metrics and dimensions I specified is visible here. Now you rinse and repeat that process, all the different fields you would like to have, and you might want to set up multiple different sheets. And then you're up and running with your YouTube data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with our connectors.